Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. And if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now this might sound strange, but the family of Danielle Rowe believes that her life was taken as a part of some kind of ritual. Let me repeat, the family is wondering if the death of the 8-year-old was a sacrifice. Now I'm going to hear what I want, and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
So you're saying you also want to ask where is Daniel's blood?
Yes, because human blood cuddles. So you would have to find, some blood, something.
Have they done any forensic?
Have they done any forensic at the spot? What is it? What did they find? Did they find in the blood? Or was it that somebody dropped her off and her blood already drained out? Did they? What one thing I'm gonna say, my daughter will tell me, mommy, don't say it, but I'm gonna say it. If I drink her blood, may it turn their stomach. May it turn their stomach.
If they drink her blood, what are you alluding to, Apostle? Are you saying that you believe that Danielle Rowe was a sacrifice?
Yes. Sacrifice gone wrong.
So you're saying, wait. Apostle, you are saying tonight that your grandniece,
Yes.
you believe she was a sacrifice?
Yes, that's why we can't find her blood.
Wow.
And when they do sacrifice, remember, there are wickedness in high places. Bible tell you that. So when they do their sacrifice, they have to do it wicked and gruesome to appease whatever they are praying to, or whatever they have to pay it to.
Wow.
It has to be a vicious one. And I know things of the spirit.
Innocent blood viciously taken.
Right. It has to be one of that, and one that is pure. So they're looking for that.
So they look for a pure bread. That's what you're arguing.
Yes.
But then they look for one that is 8 years old.
Yes, they want something fresh.
Remember, 8 years old.
And 8 in the spiritual realm, Apostle.
On the 16th of May, she turned 8 on the 16th of May, not long after she was killed. Remember that.
So you're saying that the 8
is
her 8 year as a virgin child.
Yes.
Make her.
It's bigger than us.
Mighty God.
Remember, the wound.
Family says no surgery was done on Danielle.
That she could never survive that. We strongly believe she died on the Thursday.
So you don't believe that the surgery was.
What surgery?
She was on.
So there was no surgery?
There was no surgery.
She was only kept warm.
What surgery?
What you said?
She was only kept warm.
Wait!
She was dead.
No!
She was.
We were told that there was a surgery done.
She was wearing a body warmer. Surgery to do what?
Mighty God.
She was on the bed. Cold as ice. You spoke to her father, and her father, I think someone spoke to her father, I think some other
No, but all this time, then they reported that she did a surgery and the surgery was successful.
What surgery? What was successful? She was laying on the bed, and all they did was
pour blood in. Pour blood in.
All they did was
Mighty God.
Kept her mother was on the phone to us. Even when they asked for the family to come off the phone, the mother kept the phone in her pocket, and we was on the phone. We heard everything.
Everything from London. We heard
everything. We was on the phone.
So all this time, what was reported in the news media that she did a surgery?
No surgery.
We don't see. The mother was there. What surgery? The mother was in the room. They just put the thing on her neck,
just trying to give her blood,
and they just kept on putting in blood.
And keep her in body warmer.
As soon as the blood came in, the doctors was covered in blood from the waist down, because every single time they put the blood in, it went out through her neck, all over them.
Keep her in body warmer, like when you're harvesting organs, trying to save organs.
Let's move this
I will talk some things, you know.
Leave this place.
I'm not gonna leave it and come go back on the yard.
Yeah, let's leave it here. God is watching.
And him see them.
He sees.
And every Illuminati will know say Jesus Christ is God. And every Freemason are gonna know in this country say Jesus Christ is Lord. Them are gonna know say Jesus is Lord. And me can tell them can't touch me because I'm born with fire. Me born with fire. No, none of them can touch me. None of them can come for me with them vial and them crystal ball. They can't draw me up because when they draw me up, they must buck up in the Jesus. Come family, look come. I don't know where they come. Everybody come, family come. Family come. Because if you don't come with me, you don't chat to me for today. Now tell you that. When you come, let's go. Family come. Family come.
Yeah, by some Auntie.
Come, Carly. Look here. Listen to me. Listen to me. And listen to me well. Listen to me and listen to me well. Come, Joe. Who wants it end with our war? Who wants it end? Give me my knees. Look at my knees. Yes. Look here. Tell them you want it end. Make sure you come very now. Because of politics. Unless you're part of the politics. Yes, are politics. Them cut out the family them. Nobody can say nothing. Minister this and minister that. Go get your pitney. You idiot. And the cheat them cut out. Take out my name and fight. Take out my name and fight. From day one, I was supposed to open part of man of God. Man of God is a man of God. You're not supposed to be in a police station. You need to go serve God and leave me alone right now. They take me off of the program.
Yeah, what happened?
Why they take me off? Because them Exp0se is a woman apostle. Them Exp0se is a woman apostle. So them take me off of the program. Them all tired of take me off of the program and put fat people.
Now we have heard about this with international celebrities, big name rappers, big name actors, athletes, you name it. The overseas celebrities have always been accused of or speculated upon to have been a part of groups involved in occult practices and occult beliefs. Now what took place at the church in Mobay with Kevin Smith has been the closest most Jamaicans have seen the exposure of religious people with different type of beliefs. So while what the family has said might sound strange, and the first we are hear of it, just that, as stated before, we have mostly heard this about overseas celebrities, big name people in the music industry, and actors in the entertainment industry. Over in Hollywood. Talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel as I pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning and join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, a quick recap. The family of Danielle Rowe believes that her death was orchestrated. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now until the reason again. Live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.